Easy ways to collaborate on design projects remotely. In today's hybrid learning and working environments, collaboration has gone digital. Whether you're part of a class group or design team, working together on design projects remotely is now the norm. Homestyler simplifies this process through cloud-based design tools that let you and your team work in sync. Start by creating a shared project. Upload your floor plan or build one from scratch. Then invite collaborators by sharing a project link. Your team can view, comment, and even edit the design depending on the permissions you set. This makes it perfect for group projects, peer reviews, or instructor feedback. You can also generate high-resolution renders to discuss aesthetics or technical solutions over video calls. Homestyler supports version history, so changes can be tracked and reverted if needed. To access these powerful collaborative features, use the link in the description to sign up for Homestyler. It's free, browser-based, and user-friendly. Whether you're designing a home, office, or classroom together, Homestyler makes online teamwork easy and efficient.